Hi everyone, nice to see you again and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I paint the tomato cherries. And first I still use my number 6 round brush, and I try to leave my white space first. And if you want to make this tomato cherry is really shiny surface, you might can leave some at least 1 or 2 white space for the highlight. And I used some cup of the warm color like with yellow, orange and red for this cherry color. And also use another yellow for this paper bag. We have to focus on how many tomato cherries you want to draw, and how we make they looks like in the one bags, and they how to overlap on another one, and how they close to each other. So while doing that one, I prefer to paint the first one, which I can see the whole shape, and then join another one behind them. And I use a lot of wide gap to emphasize that is the individual tomato cherry. And then on the top I add another color with the green one to emphasize this stem and the little leaves, to make they are all in the same stem. And because this green color a bit strong than the cherry color, so that I can put on the top. And then I'm going to add another layer of my tomato cherry to make they are more bright and depth. So in this step, I try to use another Chinese brush to emphasize some leaves and the shade of the stem, and also include the gap of the 2 tomato cherry. That is also very useful to make they have some space between them. And if you want to put intense color on the top of the tomato cherry, so focus on the central area, which is close to the white space. That can help you to make a 3D of the tomato cherries. And also emphasize the edge, include add some dark color, like I used the brown color to make a shade of the paper bag, and also include the dark background to highlight my cherry. And you can see I always swap the 2 brushes, number 6 and my Chinese brush, because they can hold a different amount of water, so that I can easy to control my color level. So this step is start with the light color and then go to the intense color. So when you're going to use the watercolor, always be more patient and start with the light one and go to the dark one. So every step you have different things to do, so don't be hurried. And the Chinese brush or number 0 brush is very good to emphasize some edges like cherry they have some very pointed leaves. And I also give a bit background with a simple color, so bit blue and bit purple for the shadow. And also used some splatter dot. Okay, so hope you enjoyed today's subject and see you next time.